I think someone spray painted graffiti and then it got all chiseled away. There's pieces of it here. This is a well-groomed house on the right. And on the left, on the left is
steel beam.
Jeez.
Poke your eye out.
The neighbors must hate them.
Yep. It's like Pippi Longstocking. Remember Pippi Longstocking?
Yeah.
And it had like, you just do whatever you want in the backyard.
Right. Those kids probably don't even have parents. There's pieces of the spray painted rock here.
Yeah, exactly. No parents.
That looks like an overhang. This is slippery.
Hey, dear.
Something in there. Probably more bullets. Here's one. No, it's a bullet. Oh. Yeah. Lead. Nope. This water's cold. Oh. Lead. Big one. Yep. I guess this is a good backdrop for target practice. You don't have to worry about shooting anybody. Something here, I think it's iron. Oh, look at that. There's a little baby salamander. Whoa. Well, he moved really fast.
I don't think so.
Maybe it's a tadpole with a really well-hung tadpole. Or a really big sperm. You see it? It's a big spermin. Yeah.
Hold on.
This is just littered with bullets.
Alright, enough with the royal crown.
I didn't know they still made RC Cola. Bullets and glass. Big bullets and little bullets and acorns that look kind of like bullets. Take a listen to this. Everywhere. This is what I could pick up. It's addictive. I don't need this stuff, but I just can't stop picking it up. Some of these are kind of big. And a quarter amongst all the brass and lead. I guess they sat over there on that bench and did a little target practice with a bunch of bottles. And back there, that's their nature's backstop. One more target. I marked it with a pull tab so I could find it again. There it is, yellow pull tab. Underneath the pull tab was a decent signal, so I just want to dig it before I go to the car. And I just lost my marker. There it is. Here it is. Clad dime. Think. Yeah. It's really what? Brittle? Yeah. Shards of this rock everywhere. It's like a landslide of these shards. Those aren't leaves, those are rocks. That came all the way down from up there. They're like the kind of rocks that you can make arrowheads out of. Really sharp. This is like a rock landslide. He tried?
He got up there pretty decent. But then he was sliding out here.
Slippery.
Oh, look at him. Hold on.
Hey Bear, what's in your mouth? What's on your chin? This is slippery. You can't do it. No. Okay. Whoa!
I found a really good spot right here.
This is like it got gouged out.
Yep.
Where? What's going on here? Some kind of pentagram circle or what? Oh, what is that? Oh! I thought somebody was setting up candles. Rubber stoppers for screws. Alright. Pretty cool place. Just right off some backwoods country road. Hey Bear, what are you doing? Oh. Forgot about that. You're a good boy. You want this?
Hold on. You gotta sit. Sit.
That's a big piece. Is that too big for you? Can you handle this? You gotta sit. Looks like it's made of concrete. Alright. Yeah.
I'm gonna pull over, like right there?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah.
I mean, you could just go around the fence.
It says keep out. Sears armadillo.
But the fence ends right there.
What are those? Caves.
I can go check that if I want.
Yeah?
Why not?
Because it says keep out.
I can't read that.
No trespassing.
I mean, that part.
Can you read this one that says posted?
Yeah, what is that? What is that animal? Is that a cat? A big fat thing?
It's a big fat cat.
It's strictly prohibited, so that means I can't do it.
I think there's another one over there.
Another fence?
No, there's another cave over there. Like down that way.
Should we go over this little bridge?
Yeah.
Like historic and trashy.
Historic and trashy.
Yeah.
That's upstate New York.
Or historically trashy.
Yeah, let's go there.
Like I said, trashy.
Jesus. Trashy. No. Let me check the map. It's a historic fire trail. Oh. Whoa.
Should I go up there?
Yeah, I guess. That's too much sun. Is that the Hudson or is that the...
I don't know.
That might be the Esopus. Yeah.
Should I let this Yorkie out?
Yeah, let him out. He's ready.
Alright. And there we go.
So I didn't see this part. I'm gonna have to pave that in ways. I'm assuming that's the Hudson.
Pretty big.
Yeah. A little sailboat.
I'm gonna get you, little Yorkie. I'm gonna get you, Yorkie. I'm gonna get you.
Well, who dug that hole? Little tiny gopher. This grass grow tall. It looks like they cut the grass, but they just missed this one spot, but it's crabgrass, I guess. Onion grass or Smells like bullets because I've been holding lead. This looks like it could be a golf course. What's that big indentation?
Hey Bear, are you coming? In trouble with daddies.
Come on, Bear. Up, up.
Come on. Up, up. Come on, you can do it.
Ugh. All right. On the other side of that golf mound was whatever this used to be. Yeah, but that's cinder blocks. That can't be very old. This is like cement. I wonder what this was. It's already looking like bad news. I'll just check it really quickly with the metal detector. There's nothing here but pieces of copper and brass pipe fittings from the plumbing. So, moving on.
No.
No, Bear, no more. Little Bear, no, sweetie. Come on.
I'm gonna be quiet.
Good boy. Yeah, maybe not.
Oh, that's nice over there.
Yeah, it's all in silhouette though. Is this the bridge that we just saw like a minute ago?
Yep. They said everything's in silhouette.
From over there?
Look at all the church steeples. Look at them.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3,
Right, and a
4.
small area too. All the little yachts lined up.
There wasn't much to do back then.
Yeah, I guess not. A door that just empties out to the street. Kind of reminds me of Portland a little bit.
Yeah, it reminds me of Portland by the water.
It's the mix of trash and historical area. Oh, that's a cute dog.
There really are a lot of churches on this street.
Yeah. And the area in general.
Looks like a domestic dispute.
And way too many kids for just that few adults. Way too many.
Gas is like 30 cents cheaper than it was last week. $2.13. And somebody did not want to eat that hamburger. If that hamburger stays there for a couple of months, it's going to look exactly the same. Those things do not biodegrade. In fact, it's probably been there all summer. I thought that was a McDonald's hamburger, but I guess my eye for burgers isn't very good. I mean, maybe it is, but Hey, bear. No more. You gotta wait, lovey. Wait for mama. Little bear has a hamburger just like that, but it's made of plastic. And the plastic one probably biodegrades faster than that burger. Esposito's Cleaners, and now it's Dimples.
You wanted to know how I knew? American Legion with a patio.
Metamorphosis tattoo.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Joe Bees.
Mind your bees. I mean your peas. And your bees. This is Express Latinos. No.
No.
Looks like I got a no.
Chop suey.
Ew.
Don't say ill, say yum.
Yum.
What's O plus?
I don't know, Dad. I'm trying to figure out where we're going.
He's trying to keep his head up.
I'm trying. You can raise your eyebrows all you want, but I know you're not up. Your head's not up.
His head's slowly sinking.
Yeah, it's just your eyebrows. It's funny, I think this probably wasted more than the walk we did.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh boy.
Fucking retards. Oh my god. Maybe you should have just gone in the other lane since you can't handle it. Oh, that's Camping World is over there.
Camping World?
Yeah.
Where?
Straight ahead. I think we're gonna pass it.
Oh, you mean campers?
No, it's the place is Camping World, I think.
They sell RVs?
Maybe.
Yeah.
But it's called Camping World. Well, if we're looking for an extension on the house, we know where to come.
I think that's the most RVs I've ever seen.
Let's go. Let's not be... Why are we being so... I bet your kid is on the fucking bus. Is that why you're that retarded?
You think they're following their kid?
So. I believe so.
Yeah, I bet. Yep. Why did they just swerve off the road?
No, I don't know. Cause I think they wanted to get behind the bus.
Yeah.
Because they're fucking retarded. You're not gonna sleep at home if you sleep now, Ghimbaldini. Hey. Yeah, that's why you have to stay awake. Yeah. We want to make sure that you can sleep later. Yeah. Uh-huh.
He's done.
He's so dumb.